Are you having trouble logging in with your X account, or it says login error attestation denied? Today I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, you need to go to your iPhone settings. Go to General, click on iPhone Storage, search for X, and offload the app. Once you offload your app, reinstall the app, wait for it to install, and that should fix your problem. If that still doesn't work, go to Google Chrome and get on the X website. Once you're here, click on the sign in button and try to log in here on their official website in Google Chrome. If you log in here on their website and it works and does not work in your app, you can try to delete the X app and download it again on your app store. Once your X app is finally downloaded, you can try logging in again to see if it works. If you try these methods and it still doesn't work, you can try to connect to a different internet or connect to the mobile network of your device. Once you have done that, you can try logging in. If that still doesn't work, download a VPN provider and try logging in with and without VPN. Yeah, so that's how you fix the login issue with X.